Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off public folder sharing on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's not very difficult. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network sharing. Then click on advanced sharing settings. Now you have two options. One is for the public network and one is for the private network. So for the public network, you can turn on file and printer sharing. Sorry, for public network. For private network, if you're turning it on, you need to know that this is a very critical thing. And if the public network, sorry, if the private network is enabled, people will be able to access your system for file and printer sharing. So be aware about this. And as for the public network one, this has limited approach, but you can still turn it on and then share files and folders between two systems. You can also share the printer between two systems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.